How's it going, everyone? I'm Anthony Drew Gary with Indy Real Estate, and I'd like to introduce myself and offer myself as a resource to you. Starting my own real estate brokerage is really the next step in what's been a lifelong entrepreneurial journey. I've been business-minded my whole life, and that started all the way back when I was in elementary school. I'd buy packs of bubble yum from the grocery store, and then I'd sell them to my friends at recess. And that turned into football cards, doing the same thing when I was in middle school and high school, which turned into Red Bull cans and diploma frames when I was in college, which has turned into rental properties and starting a real estate brokerage as an adult. I grew up in Hobart, Indiana, and I went to undergrad at Ball State University, where I majored in architecture and minored in construction management. I was also a member of the Honors College, and while I was there, everything that I did really had a real estate sort of slant to it. I knew that was my ultimate career aspiration. I wanted to work in real estate. I wanted to help people buy it, sell it, invest in it, manage it, and even develop it. And that's what I really used to drive my decisions while I was in school. I've been working in or adjacent to real estate since I was 17 years old, and that passion really started with houses. I was the kid that instead of watching cartoons on a Saturday morning, I was catching reruns of This Old House, and I just could not get enough of it. And that's really propelled me into a full-fledged career in commercial real estate. After almost a decade in the professional real estate world, I went back to school to get my MBA from Butler University, and I did that so that I could become the most well-rounded real estate professional that I could be. And I want to put those experiences to work for you. I want to help you sell your house when you're ready to do that. And when you work with me, you also get to put my architecture skills to work for you as well. I'm going to draw the floor plans for your house, and we're going to put those in your listing photos so that when buyers are looking at your house, they're going to know exactly what they're looking at from the pictures and understand the concept of your house, so that you're going to be front of mind when it comes to showings, when it comes to just being overall memorable, and that's nothing but an advantage to you, and that's what you get when you work with me. You also get my breadth and depth of knowledges, and you get a perpetual learner on your team. I've listened to most all the best podcasts, I've read most all the best books, and I want to put my knowledge to work for you. Let me be of value to you when it comes to one of the biggest financial decisions that a person will face, and that's selling their home. I'm a professionally trained negotiator, and I know what language you do and do not want in your contracts. When you work with me, you're going to get a level of integrity, grit, and determination to do right by my clients that I think is unmatched in the marketplace. I'm strong in my Christian faith if that's important to you, and it's really of no downside if that's not important to you. I also regularly produce video content to help people with their knowledge on real estate, help them with their finances, and overall life optimization. The video that you're watching right now is on my YouTube channel, where you can check out the rest of my content, and there are over 100 videos published, so feel free to poke around and see if there's anything that you like. I hope that you want me in your corner when selling your home, and I would be happy to be there. And to make this even better, because I'm not connected to one of the national real estate brands, I can offer you a cost structure when selling your home that I think you'll like as well. If you'd like to connect, you can either use the contact information that I provided you, or you can leave me a message at indydwell.com, or you can leave a message on this YouTube video. I hope to get in touch with you soon. I appreciate you, I appreciate your time, and I thank you for it.